South Korea is strengthening its restrictions on people arriving from South Africa to prevent the spread of that country's COVID-19 variant. Everyone coming from South Africa will have to quarantine at government facilities for 14 days instead of at home. The nation's also facing the new threat of COVID-19 variants from India. Choi Won-jong has the details.
South Korea's health authorities are strengthening prevention measures for all travelers from South Africa to try and prevent South Africa's COVID-19 variant from entering the country.
Especially regarding South Africa's COVID-19 variants that reduce the effectiveness of the COVID-19 vaccine and treatment, all travelers from high-risk countries must be quarantined to stop the virus spreading, starting April 22nd.
This means any travelers who plan on either short or long stays in South Korea must spend their quarantine period at government facilities rather than doing self-quarantine at home. In the past week, South Korea has confirmed 70 new cases of COVID-19 variant, including 64 cases of UK variant, 5 from South Africa, and 1 from Brazil. That brings the total number of variant cases as of Monday to 449. In addition, health authorities on Sunday confirmed that the country has 9 cases of so-called double mutant strain from India. The variant has gone through 2 mutations within the same virus. Of the 9 cases, 2 patients tested positive in March, while the rest of them confirmed this month. All of them had recently entered the country after visiting India. The authorities are also on their toes concerning sporadic cluster infections across the country. In Seoul, 28 people tested positive on Monday, linked to an indoor sports facility. In Ujeongbu, Gyeonggi-do Province, 18 cases were linked to local church. 11 cases were also confirmed among teachers and students at kindergarten and high school in Goyang, Gyeonggi-do Province. The South Korea daily COVID-19 tally was 532 on Monday, dropping below 600 for the first time in 5 days, most likely due to fewer tests being conducted over the weekend. All but 20 were local transmitted. The majority of those came from the Greater Seoul area. The total number of cases has now topped 114,000. Choi Won-jong, Arirang News.